Welcome back, guys. So, update on the Civic. Police impounded car. We swapped the rims. We detailed. We need to vacuum. We got the smell out. Doesn't stink in here so bad. We're about to put the seats in. We're about to clean the rugs and put the seats in and install the new door. And this thing's going for paint. We already ordered it. It should be here probably like 5-6 days or something like that. Maybe longer. We'll see. But I will prep the car, sand all this down, and prep the car for paint. And when it comes in, we have inflatable spray booth that we've never used. So it'll be the first time using it. So that's going to be some cool content to watch. Yep. And after this thing's ready for paint, and we're just ready for paint, we got to change the condenser and radiator. And I think we got to change a couple sensors. So once we get this back together, we will start messing with that, getting that ready. Get this door on, get the interior in. And we got new tires for this. These are from my parts car EP3 that I had. And we got new tires for it to put on it, because the other rims are going on the EP3. And stay tuned to find out. So we will, we did all the brakes, rotors. That came out so good. Drill slot rotors, painted everything, painted the chassis, cleaned everything up. Amazingly, and not a lot of rust. I mean, I got a rust spot here I gotta fix. And I got one on the other side, because this car was just too slammed to the ground. And I did lift it back up, because this thing was much lower. I lifted it back up so I can put my feet under it now. Look at that. Couldn't do that before. So yeah, we're gonna about to get this done, and yeah, let's get to it. Alrighty, so almost finished it up. Took the fender off, so we gotta put the new door on. Police made it was fun putting this door back on, but we got it back on and it works. New door, same color, even though we're gonna paint it anyway. But all right, so we're going for the first drive, and let's see what she does. All right. So we got DRL light on, TPMS for the sensors for the car. Now let's see if the AC works.
The amount of stuff that just blew out of that vent is kind of obscene.
I don't hear the thing kicking on. See the window go down? Oh, it goes down.
Wow.
Window up and down.
By Georgia, I think he's got it.
Sunroof works. AC don't work, you know why? That's that condenser I was telling you about. Alright. First drive. Brakes are a little wonky because I did the brakes. There's nothing behind us, right?
I hope not.
Brakes work. You know that light's not flashing for the transmission?
It didn't flash until after I was almost home, so
Oh.
let me know how that turns out. No fear of all of the bumps on this road. I swear I bottomed out like 75 times.
Well, I raced the suspension. The ride's actually pretty nice. Check engine light just came on. That must be... Yep, so it does need that switch. Now it's just flashing. That's that transmission pressure switch. This thing drives good, man. Just gotta do the AC.
Oh, wow.
Trying to break in those rotors. This thing runs like a dream, bro. Suspension is, I think this is a good height for him. What do you think?
I think so.
Yeah, I kind of want to do that in your car.
What, lower it? Leave my car alone. That's the one thing that's not junk. You just leave my little lady alone.
Runs good. Too bad the AC don't work. I bet you it used to work until bottomed out.
Until I drove it off the trailer, you mean? Go ahead, you could say it.
Yeah, until you broke it. You broke that, and I mean, you didn't technically break it because they should have never lowered it to the ground. Sounds like something sticking on the brakes, like they're sticking a little bit. Have to check that out. Probably just. One thing I didn't check was the airbox.
Oh, to see if there's any mice in there? Like
Yeah.
where the filter
Oh,
is?
look, it's your son.
Oh, look, it's another Honda. I'm sensing a theme.
Yeah, it's all fixed.
Say hi to YouTube.
We're gonna take your car later for parts.
No.
Alright, well, we'll be back with you guys. We're gonna check out the check engine light, DRL light. I already know what the TPMS light is. That's for the sensors. Which I'm gonna leave that like that. That'll be fine.
All right, YouTube. Peace.
We'll be back. Hey guys, just finished cleaning it. I am so tired. We just washed it. We got to replace the condenser, the radiator, couple more things. We put the SI wheels on it. Yeah. After that, it's gonna go in for painting, and we got some LEDs coming for it. So, and transmission needs a sensor. So once we get all that situated, and she should be good for paint and then ready to go. Stay tuned.